In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out on Ledger Live. Now, in case you need any Ledger devices, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment to get the official Ledger devices for the best prices as well as some bonus Bitcoin. So you can check it out down below and you'll also support the channel that way. So to actually cash out on Ledger Live, what you have to do is you want to go to the buy/sell section over here. And then you have the option to actually sell at the very top over here, and you can get your cash on your card over here. Okay, so let me show you that really quickly. So you have to first select your crypto over here. So for example, I'm going to do a Cardano ADA, and then I want euros, and I'm going to do, let's do 18 Cardano for this tutorial. And then over here, you can select where you want to get your cash on. So for me, only card is available right now. And then, of course, you get different quotes. I only have Transact right now, so I'm going to just click on that. And then you can click on Sell with Transact. And after you basically confirm everything, you'll be able to go ahead and enter in your email, and then from there basically create your Transact account, or of course whatever service you're trying to use, and then you'll be able to go ahead and sell your crypto and essentially cash out on Ledger Live. Now, in case you don't want to get your money on your card, but you want it, for example, on your bank account, you can do that too. You want to go to the Discover tab over here on the left, and then you want to go to Categories, look for Sell. It's over here, there we go. And then in here, you have a bunch of different options where you can actually go ahead and get the money to your bank account or any other method. Okay, so just go through these. Some of them will actually support different withdrawal methods. So if I go to Transact again over here, you'll be able to see that if I run it through here, I'll be able to even select like the bank account, so an easy bank transfer, Visa or SEPA. Okay, so of course you can select that, but if I go to the sell section, you can see there's like Visa and SEPA still available. So you can just use these to actually withdraw to your bank account or again to your Visa or MasterCard. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.